Man, a person who is a male adult. The man knocked his opponent down with a powerful punch. Man. Woman, a person who is a female adult. The grown-up woman enjoyed a quiet evening with a book and a cup of tea. Woman. Boy, a person who is a male child. That boy is very bright. Boy. Girl, someone who is a child and a female. Both girls are wearing blue dresses. Girl. Friend, someone that you know well, like a lot and trust, but normally they're not part of our family. Friend. Friends give one another unwavering loyalty during both good and bad times. Friend. Boyfriend. A man you love and are in a relationship with. Has she got a new boyfriend? Boyfriend. Girlfriend. A lady that you love and are in a relationship with. Girlfriend. Her intelligence and kindness make her the perfect girlfriend. Girlfriend. Person. One human being when gender or age is not relevant. Person. The betrayal by a close friend can tear a person apart. Person. People. Human beings as a group, including men, women, and children. People. On average, people consume 3 meals per day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. People. Adult. An adult is a fully grown male or female. Adult. Adults have the freedom to make their own choices. Adult. Baby. A baby is a young child who is usually too young to walk or speak. Baby. The baby had chubby cheeks and a cute face. Baby.